Okay, let's get started. We are going to discuss next verses Paradise Lost, Book 1 by John Milton. Here on, the poet has to describe about pursue unattempted things yet in prose or rhyme. While it pursue things unattempted yet in prose or rhyme, in chiefly though our spirit that does refer before all temples the upright heart and pure. Instruct me, for thou knowest, though far from the first, wast present and with mighty wings upspread. I am going to deal with things that have not yet been attempted in prose or poetry. Chiefly, I call upon you, O Spirit of God, for you refers to devil rather in just and blameless heart than temples. O Holy Spirit, I pray you to direct and instruct me, for you possess knowledge of everything from the early beginning of the world. You were. And with your wings unextended, your wings extended, you were seated as a dove on the infinite chaos and pecked it. Dove-like sights brooding on the Wast abbey, and madest it fragrant. What in me is dark, illumine. What is low race and sport, that to the height of this great argument I may assert eternal providence and justify the way of God to men. You are seated as a dove on the infinite chaos and packed it with life, dismissed all that is dark in me, raise and sport all that is low and inferior, so that in harmony and accordance with the greatness and prominence of my harmony, of my theme and subject, I may prove the wisdom of God's government and rule and justify his action to man.